Hey guys, DEJA here, or as many of you know, at The Real Black Carrie Bradshaw. So I'm back with another video today. I'm going to be reviewing this multi-purpose laptop stand that I received in the mail. As many of you all know, I'm always on the go. I'm a writer, I'm a blogger, I'm a grad student, I'm a YouTuber. And unfortunately, I don't have enough space for a home office. This is my makeshift office. Like, my bed is always typically covered with notebooks and books and papers and computers and cell phone and this and that. And I always get really uncomfortable, like when I'm in bed trying to like relax. And it's also like a mental thing that I feel like I'm never really able to relax in my bed because I'm always doing work. So I kind of wanted to create a space where I can make my work and my comfort area kind of two separate entities. So I've been kind of looking for a tool that would allow me to do that. And I think I may have found it with this adjustable, foldable laptop that I just received. So right out of the box, as soon as I opened it up, the first thing that I noticed was that this product was completely assembled. It was fully assembled straight out of the box, and that was a major plus for me. The first thing I thought about was how nice of a gift this would be to a young professional or maybe a college student, someone who had just graduated. Really convenient and really cool packaging. With the holiday season coming around, this would be an awesome gift. This stand is so convenient. It's really simple. All you do is just fold the legs down really quickly, store it underneath your bed like I did, or tuck it away in a corner or a closet, and you're on your way. It easily transitions to another area of the house if you wanted to just sit in front of the sofa and watch television with a snack, or to read a book or something like that. It's super convenient and super on the go. And so that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you want product information, I'll leave that information below in the description box so you can check it out. As always, thanks for stopping, thanks for watching, and I hope you'll stay tuned for this next video.